All right. Hi, everyone. We're here again. Welcome to the second episode of my solid series in C Sharp. And today we are diving into the open close principle, the letter O in solid. One of the most misunderstood and misused principles in software design. So, open close principle was introduced by Bertrand Meyer, and it says software entities should be open for extension but closed for modification. That means you should be able to add new behavior without changing existing code. So, first of all, let's go to our bad sample here. So, here in my OCP sample, open close principle, we are executing without the OCP, this one, and we will refactor this to with OCP. So let's see this shipping calculator. So we have region and weight. So we have if region is US, if region is EU, or if region is Asia. We have this value, this amount. So if we need to add something else, I need to add another else in order to change this way to calculate. But you can see this way I have to enter here and update every time. So looks fine at first, but what happens when we need to add, I don't know, Japan or Brazil? We have to go back and modify this class again and again. What is wrong here? This class isn't closed for modification. Every new region means you touch existing code. You risk breaking something that was working before. You violate the open close principle. So let's refactor this. So before I will create a shipping rule, I shipping rule. All right, the shipping rule I have bool is match string region and the calculate method with this with weight. Yeah, that's it. So this is our interface. And now we need to create all the shippings that we need. So I can, let's go to service. Yeah, service is good. First of all, US shipping. And this US shipping. I have this I shipping rule here. Oops. Implement interface. And I'll have this region. Oops. Return region equals US. That's it. And for calculate, I'll have return weight US. Yeah, this is good. So it's done. I have this shipping rule. And I can do the same. I can even copy this. So UEA, EU, add new item, EU shipping rule. EU shipping rule. Just shipping. That's it. Public key. Can copy everything here. Just this, and here will be 2, 2.0, and region EU. And it's almost done. And I can came over here in my shipping calculator, and I need to create a list. So private tier, read only, lists of shipping rules, and I have rules. All right, in the constructor, in this constructor, I receive these rules. Rules and I don't need this. Rules, it's all right. And in calculate, we will only use this. So uh, var rule receive rules first or default if is matched with region. I'll have this, and if rule different, if rule is true is null, I'll have an exception, or return rule calculate weight. Looks simple. Now let's try to use this. We have this OCP sample, and now we have this huge with OCP. So I have this shipping calculator here, already almost done. All right. And I need to create a list. Oops. So I have this new list of shipping rule with UA shipping and US shipping. And I can add this list here, and it's working almost like here. So UA EU is +2. So let's run this. OCP 1. So that's it. Can you see? Now let's see if we need to add something else. So we can came over here, can go over here, and let's see that we need to add to Japan. So new item, Japan, shipping. I will do the same here. Japan, shipping, and 3. 3.5, yeah. And Japan. And here in OCP sample, I need to add my new class, new Japan shipping. I just now I'm just using. So I'm just adding a new shipping class in this list, and I'm using. Can you see it? So if I came here in my shipping calculator, it's already done. I don't have to came here and update this class. I just need to add a new class. So this is close to modification, but open to change. So now now the class is open for extension. You just create a new class like I did, Japan shipping, and it's closed for modification. You don't touch the main logic at all. So you may be thinking, hey, this looks like a strategy pattern. And you are absolutely right. But here's the key difference: strategy is a tool, OCP is a goal. You can use strategy and other patterns like factory decorator, polymorphisms, has techniques to achieve OCP. But open close is about the intent. Don't modify working code to add new behavior. Extend it safely instead. So the open close principle make the code base scalable, testable, and resilient to change. And that's exactly what we want as system grow. So next up in the series is the L, Liskov substitution principle. Classic that's often misunderstood. So stay tuned. If this video helped you, feel free to like, comment, and share. Let me know if you have ever had to fight with a class that keep growing out of control. And we have everything here uh, on the uh, on the description. I have the GitHub code, and from my blog post. So see you next time.